Alright, today we're featuring a certified pre-owned 2015 Honda Civic LX, modern steel metallic in color. It's got 27,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Driver's side of the Civic is in great condition. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It does have rear backup camera. Everything looks good going down the passenger side. Exterior is in great shape. Once again, it's a 15. It's certified. 27,000 miles. Okay. Clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the gray and black door panels. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have gray cloth seating. Center console's got the USB port. Plenty of storage right there. Passenger seat cloth. Alright, have keyless entry key fob. Got two of them here. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your auxiliary and power outlet right there. Climate control area. AM FM CD player. It's going to have your radio display right there with the backup camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. Got your cruise control there. Steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth on this side. And you also have your Econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 27,531 miles. We'll go ahead and put it in reverse. Activate the backup camera. Okay, it's got the guidelines on there as well. Alright, just to the left here, you see that's got the digital speedometer. And then I'll pan out. Got the nice blue RPMs right there. Okay, just a nice layout in these Civics. I like the coloring they use. Got your AM FM CD player here. Climate control area. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back seat. Also check out your trunk space. Alright, door panels back here look good. Back seat carpet's nice and clean, no stains. Back seat cloth looks good. Got a little bit of a stain right here. Mainly just the outline of one in the seat right here. Alright, but other than that, everything's in really good shape. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. Take a look in the trunk. Got the nice plastic protector liner here. Lift that up. Got the jack and spare tire underneath. As you can see, a ton of room back here. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Alright, 15-inch steel wheels. The nice hubcaps on there. Brand new set of tires. Okay, plenty of tread left on them. Once again, it's a certified 2015. Alright, it's got 27,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.